GTI for the day. No more G35. A little pull. Ooh. Ooh. All right, let me turn on the light here. What is up, guys? It's Shader from Blow Pro Media. I'm back at it again. Yeah. So you guys have been probably wondering where I can't even talk. Oh, there's a person looking directly at me, and I'm scared. I feel like, why is this nigga holding the camera?
Oh, is the gorilla thing this whole?
No, the reason why we haven't been posting, really, it's, if you noticed, we haven't been posting this whole winter. It's been so fucking cold in Connecticut, like, you guys have no idea. It's been like anywhere between like 30 degrees to like -7. And personally, like, the grind is real, but I'm not trying to catch frostbite. Yeah, I'm not trying to catch frostbite personally. Oh, the torque, my soul. But nah, I'm not trying to record out in the cold. Cam's not trying to record out in the cold. And personally, that's just kind of bothersome, I guess you can say. And it's just kind of a pain in the ass, excuse my French. So it's starting to warm up now. We're hitting spring, and you guys already know what we came to do. We're heading to the Exit 8 car meet hosted by Tune Society. Preparing for a good turnout. It's actually, how many degrees is that? Like 50? It's not even cold. It feels really fucking good compared to the winter that we had. You know, we just had snow maybe like 2 weeks ago. So for it to come up with a bang, you know, and hit us with some warm weather. Sorry, Israel's texting me. Guys, you gotta stay tuned for Israel's build. I can't say too much, but his build is about to be fire. Cam, can you just do a loop around so I can get this on video? Get the Honda here. Guys, so one thing you guys didn't know is that I got beat by a Honda. Oh yeah, loop around the whole thing. Don't loop around the whole thing. Do not loop around the whole thing.
I gotta commit.
Cam, do not loop around the whole thing. Tune Society, yay. Ooh, there's a Subi. That shit's probably fast as fuck. Where? Nah, turn this light off.
Why can't you see?
I can't. Oh, Cam, I'm about to get into an accident. How the fuck? Like, guys, there's mad shit out here. I'm just out here vlogging. Like, I'm minding my own business. I need a bike. Guys, comment if you guys think Blow Pro Media should get a bike.
Which car? This one?
Wow, fucking Evo, Blake's Evo, holy shit. But yeah, guys, I got a surprise for you coming up. Ooh, that's a truck. I got a surprise for you guys coming up. A little surprise for the G, some cosmetics. Some new things. To be honest, there might even be a race night, which I want to see what Cam can do. Cam claimed he beat me, and you know what? I'll give him the W, but you guys already know how many times the G has beat the GTI, guys. So this is my favorite anime right now, Initial D. It makes me want to have like a fucking Honda. If you guys watch Initial D, put D down in the comments, pause, okay? Pause. Pause. Oh. Oh.
Huh? Shit, nothing, bro.
You been a day by yourself?
Hell yeah, how about you? Type 4.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm so fucking proud. This shit's sexy as fuck. Oh yeah. When you picked it up?
A couple days ago, like 4 days ago.
You have to take me for a ride, bro.
I will.
You have to. That shit's fucking tough, dude. Oh my god. I always love the Evo 9s, bro.
S4. It's a Type R if you ain't know it. Over there, bitch.
What's up, bud?
What's up?
You already know. Mario_96.
We're over there. It's an Evo?
I mean, I remember one day you were at McDonald's and you and Damer wanted to race, but I was like, I was like, I don't know.
Huh?
It would be a shit.
Like what, boy? Oh, we didn't even show them what you got, bro.
It's an automatic, like, it's tuned in automatic, like,
Got
Raheem,
new
you can't race
cars.
me in automatic.
V-Dub gang, you heard? Hell yeah. Yo, Raheem, tell him what you have, bro.
It's a GTR Flyby.
Bro, he's got the yellow lenses,
Bro, that adds like what, 60 horsepower with the 30th edition sticker on it. That boy got like 100 horsepower more now.
Your plastic.
Yeah.
Facts. That's DT right there.
Yo,
Damn.
I didn't even see this shit. Yo, I didn't even.
A slammed Honda Accord.
You make a left, all that shit
It
coming
slams
Put the window down. That shit.
with the Vossens on it
You see all the papers.
and the bags inside to add more horsepower. Yo, so what's going on with the Evo?
It's dead.
It's dead?
Put the oil line in. Coil packs. What else? A couple grounds on the engine bay, and that's it.
Oh, so this summer's coming out then.
If you really want, dude, we
coming
just gotta
out.
get a
Friday.
flatbed.
Friday.
Pull up to
Friday?
the car, hitch up their C450, and it's gone, bro. VIN, scratch out the VIN and everything, bro. You know how much money that shit's worth? The door panels, the.
My ankle.
That's what I just said.
Is that Type R fast?
I race an AMG, that's what I mean.
Yo, tell him what you're doing to your car, bro.
I think you should read that new Type R.
I am trading
Yo,
it
ask this nigga.
for a CRZ.
Oh,
Nah, those were two.
I seen the 350Z with that shit, bro.
Where?
It's bagged, word.
Yeah, bag. And it saves gas.
Word, I heard you. You smart, you smart. You smart.
What we doing?
What you doing, man? What you
Faster
doing?
than
Yo, tell him what you doing. You heard? Tell him what you
Yo,
doing.
yeah, I really don't think it's that fast.
G35.
That shit's slow.
He a G35
That
on
shit's
that.
slow.
Give me that, that's
Those touch cars.
Dusty has
Oh, your
been
shit's
shit for over
slow,
a year.
Bro, you see
Hey,
that,
asshole.
RX-7?
That's my boy Will.
Come on, boy.
Nah, it's just dirty, dude. Don't video it. It's just dirty.
It's clean, bro. And you got the steering wheel there, too.
Nighttime, they can't
It's
tell.
just dirty, though.
Boy, it's clean. That's the ruby red, boy.
Let me borrow for this car, yo. So right here. Alright, let me get your car then.
Word. Hell yeah.
Y'all hold the steering like the Asian model, like this.
Yo, initial D.
Some people say he don't even drive with the steering wheel on.
Bright seats.
There's a snake in my boot.
What you got done to the 1JZ Subi, boy?
Listen here.
It's a sleeper?
You see?
Oh!
This ain't
Yo!
no.
It comes with
This
a
ain't
free
no normal
nigga.
shit.
Look!
This ain't no normal shit. These stickers, 5 horsepower.
Okay.
You already know the illest. That's 15.
Yo,
With the
kid.
app, with the half-bitten apple, boy?
That's like 20.
That's like 200. What are you talking about?
Feel me? I got the chrome rims.
Oh, heard you.
Don't touch them.
Yo,
I just polished them.
Okay.
You know, 5%. It comes with a nigga inside. Do the 20.
Okay.
It comes with a nigga inside. Look, you know.
Yeah. Come on, the doobie. Come on, babe. Come on, boy. Come on. Get out the car. What are you doing? Alright, word, boy. Stop that hookah, son. You do, you eat? You tired? Oh. Oh, what's up?
No, it's not.
How you doing?
Put that away.
Pretty good.
Be like, feel me?
Yo.
I had, you know, this nigga was, what happened was 10 horsepower.
What happened, bro?
I added like 100 more horsepower. I didn't know how to handle it. Yo, I'm about to, Kim, out the car, I'm about to grab the hoop.
Say, you know.
Oh, you done setting that up? Done. Aerodynamic.
Okay.
You
Design myself.
Okay.
No.
That's self-installed?
Carbon fiber mirrors.
Heard you.
Can't see it because it's dark out.
It's dark out. It's dark out right now.
You feel me?
Stop
I'm getting the wide body for it.
Alright, word.
So I ain't fixed this yet. I'm getting the new headlights. You know.
With the silky, let me out. Yo.
And the carbon fiber symbol.
The symbol, word.
You can't see it though because it's dark.
Facts.
Got that red interior.
I got.
But I changed it right quick, you know.
Heard you.
It's black right now, but
better.
I took the red ones out because everybody was talking about it.
Everybody got it.
Oh my God, he got the red. But you want to see what else I got?
Nigga is a clown, son. This nigga's a whole clown.
Que lo que, mami? ¿Qué tú haces?
Yo, who
sabe.
you talking to?
Talking to straight, real business. Straight.
Here we have the riced out Beamer. We got the riced out Beamer.
What? Rice these nuts, nigga.
It's ugly, but it's fast.
The muscle heads.
Ooh, Mustang
The
driver.
muscle heads. Oh, another muscle head? Nah, that's a turbo head.
It's quiet. Why that shit so quiet?
What the fuck? Exhaust, boy, come on. Give him one more, boy, come on. Dead? Huh? That's Subi power right there. What you saying to me? Huh? Keep talking shit. Word, bet.
Yo, Cam, let me know you like it.
Yo, Cynthia, what you say? Yeah. That's Ross Marone. Running tonight, boy.
I'm chill back there.
Boy, we running tonight, bro.
Not talking
running
about parts.
tonight, bro. Nah, I don't care.
My shit
I don't
stopped.
care.
You wanna run it, boy?
Run it. Let's run it.
Alright, tonight.
Let's run it, bro.
Alright, Volkswagen. Come on.
Alright, y'all heard
GTI
it.
versus GLI.
Y'all heard it here first. GTI versus GLI.
Did they say anything or not?
My stock, yours not.
Well, mine is pretty much. Alright,
Yeah.
I got a cold air intake, but I don't even have a tune, so it's pretty much stock.
Alright, if you get tints in the daytime, easily 20 pounds of boost.
And then he was like, yo,
But
20 pounds of boost?
he was like, oh, no smoking here?
if,
Oh, all right.
at nighttime,
How much is that,
that shit
one
easily
right
hit,
here?
you know, top out probably at like 45, 50.
With what kind of motor?
What kind of motor?
What kind of motor?
Got a V6 with a quad turbo, nigga.
What?
Turbo.
What the fuck?
Yo, Don, we didn't get on camera, boy. What you doing, son? What you doing with the do, son?
You just put oil on it. It's
We
not
got
the
the
real
do.
soaking.
Yo, I just want to say, welcome to Do It Right, where you can get your dudes on, you heard?
The dude.
Come get the flyest dude. You see that dude right there? That's the Rocky Road dude, one of our newest additions. That shit the flyest one.
Huh?
Huh? Listen, sir, I
And
just...
we got the cap dude, you heard?
Oh, I like that dude.
Where you get that from?
I think it
Hey.
was at Toys R Us, but they're closing.
No, as a matter of fact, he got it at Do It Right. Get your dudes here.
This over here. We got the Hondas. We got the Hondas. Yo, Hondas, what are y'all doing over there? We got Umar's Honda. We got the Hondas. We got the Hondas. We got the Hondas. What are y'all doing? Why y'all go that way? Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Y'all went the wrong way.
Alright guys, so GTR is about to race a vet. This shit's fucking crazy. Go. Nigga, these niggas are out, bro. That's them.
Cameron from Low Pro Media here. This is the end of the video. We are going to have more late content for you guys, so make sure you guys press those the notification button right there down below. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. You already know how LPM does. We rise together. Sky is the limit. Let's get it. Bow!